Hey guys, this is Tilak, and I graduated from mechanical engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology in 2023, and I joined QSpiders soon after I graduated, around the month of September, and I got placed in like February, and yeah, the whole what methodology that they use at QSpiders Rajajinagar is very good because they give you all the framework that you need to like learn and improve. Especially the boot camps are very important when you start out because it gives you it gives you time where you need to study, and presentation also helps you improve your communication skills, which are very important to crack interviews and such. And after presentation and boot camps, you already know that there'll be screening, which you need to clear in order to get signatures to get into class. This is very like helpful. So because if you understand yesterday's topic, you get continuity to like understand the next day's topic, and like you don't miss out on anything. And you also get backups to the classes that you missed, like for while doing groomings or drives. So always attend groomings. Yes, at the beginning you will feel like they are a bit nonsensical, and because you've not really learned everything, but once you've completed all the courses, like it becomes very important because it helps you refresh and like keep everything like all the important concepts at least like fresh, and like you can use that to crack interviews. um, Everything like from SQL to Java, Selenium, like all the classes were like really well structured, and like I learned a lot of new skills. And coming from a non-IT background, me getting like I was really unsure whether I could like get a job in the IT sector, and like within just like a few months, like I can clearly say that I can survive in the IT industry. It's not just about the teaching, like the coursework that they teach. It's also about the life skills and the experience that they share. They are all very passionate, and like they do care about the student's life and like how they can like go forward and survive in the IT industry. And from what I've observed, they're always there. Even though you get placed, you can still come back, take advice, which is very important to like, especially to a fresher who's starting out in the industry and has no experience. Um, I've really enjoyed my time here at QSpiders, and like to be honest, it was I entered QSpiders at a time where like I had very little confidence in myself, and like the whole like few months has like reforged me into a more confident person. I would also like to thank my friends who I made. So my advice to any person who's watching this is to just believe in yourself and follow the procedure, or like put some effort, and like you will be able to achieve whatever you've set out to. That's it. Thank you.